Hello friends, my name is Joytoma and welcome to my channel. Friends, today I will tell you how to make ninja star with the help of paper. Let's start the video. Friends, to make this we need 2 A4 size papers. You can see in this video. This is 2 A4 size papers and 1 scissor. So let's start making this. First we will fold the paper like this. Now I will cut this paper from here. And second, same I will cut this paper with the help of scissor. Now you can see these 2 papers are in square shape. Now I will fold this paper like this. And same second paper like this. Fold half. From triangle side. And second same I will fold this paper from triangle side. Friends, now you can see our ninja star is ready. So friends, if you like this video, so subscribe this channel and like this video. Bye friends.